trying to goal. Why we are trying to goal? Because when you come out of this campus, when you go out of this campus at the end of your final year, you all must carry out employment opportunity, right? Offer letter you have. For that purpose, this college is conducting this program. It is a evaluation program. It is a goal setting program. It is definitely a placement program, right? So before your regular college starts, regular college is not happening. But now, what they have started is management. The placement program started, right? Placement program has been started even well before your regular class starts. So should we appreciate the college management or not? Appreciate or not? Shall we all give very big hand clapping? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Concentration.
Second one?
Concentration.
Concentration. Very good. You will begin. Take your seat.